Home Show.
Russ from Austin, Texas has a question about an outdoor kitchen.
Yeah, he's looking for an on-demand hot water heater out there, Tom. Russ writes, you just need to wash the dishes with, he says. I can do liquid propane or electric. He says, I just added 200 amp service for a total of 400 amps out there. He says, what are your thoughts on the on siding, whether it's a water heater? Is there a particular one you recommend, Tom? Is there a brand, a power source? What kind would you recommend? The sizing, I guess, is the question. It says here, it said siding, but I think it means sizing.
No, that's fine. First off, I would just hook it up to an electrical circuit. You're not going to use it that much. You don't want to deal with a propane tank. You don't want to deal with the flame. Then you have the venting issues you got to deal with. You're talking about a little electric heater underneath the sink. There's a bunch of them out there. Just get one that's going to work long enough for you to wash your dishes. Quite frankly, most people take the dishes in the home after the party and wash them inside anyway, but you can still rinse them off with the hot water if you want. But I would not make a big production out of the whole thing. A small electric one for a little hot water when you need it to rinse off your dishes is fine. Remember this, with dishes on the outside, you probably aren't going to have a garbage disposal, so be careful what you put down the drain because it'll clog up. That's why outdoor kitchens are cool, but two things that get dirty and need a lot of maintenance are sinks and refrigerators because they tend to be outside and the bugs get in them and you're always washing them before you use it. And so a lot of people shy away. They put the grills and the cooktops and the hoods and all that stuff on there, but they don't get into that. But if you do, electric, small, keep it simple.
Yes, we don't have an outdoor kitchen for the same reason we don't have a second house.
Because you have to clean it?
Because it's a whole nother project. That's exactly right. All right. Do you have it? And by the way, he said 400 amps of power out there. That sounds like a lot of power to have.
No, it sounds like he upgraded his service to his whole house.
Oh, okay.
And so he probably went from, he's got plenty, and this thing is not going to take all that much. It's going to be a 20 amp breaker.
Right, it's no hill for a stepper service like that, right? All right.
Yeah, no, it'll be fine.
We're happy to help you out no matter what kind of service you're looking for. We can help you out. Go and visit HomeShowRadio.com. Send your questions in to Tom. He'll tell you what to do, what not to do, how to do it right, and save money and make your house a better place. That's a fair deal. We'll post the video at HomeShowRadio.com on our YouTube channel and our Facebook page.